The protagonist of this tale is Biggie, a German shepherd who became not only my devoted friend but also the source of my happiness. Biggie was not wanted. Nobody was interested in taking him. But by a stroke of luck, this puppy came into my life just when I needed him. He appeared suddenly. I was grieving over the loss of my former German shepherd. I always go behind the wheel and drive wherever I can to get some fresh air at these kinds of moments. I ended up at a tiny farming community in Idaho that day. I was attempting to ignore my loss as I was traveling down country roads when I abruptly noticed a sign that read German Shepherd Puppies. I merely wanted to have a look. I wasn't planning on adopting a dog. I knew it was fate when I spotted Biggie. I saw that he had a hernia and he was the youngest of his siblings. The owners were certain that no one would be interested in adopting such a puppy. However, I didn't give a damn. With unwavering trust and innocent hope, I couldn't take my eyes off him. I reasoned that I would be everything to him if no one else wanted him. I didn't hesitate to take Biggie home. Our relationship was unique from the first day. It was the closest I had ever been to a dog. Like a child, he has shown himself to be very active, lively, and inquisitive. Every morning, he holds a ball between his teeth, resembling a tiny pacifier, to greet me. Biggie enjoys taking walks, exploring new locations, and pushing himself. I made the decision to take him snowboarding last spring. He was joyful than ever when we got to the mountains. Biggie was after me like crazy as I went down the hill at 20 miles per hour. He appeared to be grinning with joy as he played so much in the snow. He performed admirably for his first time on the track, as though he had been running there his entire life. We spent a lot of special days together. He surprised me by becoming an excellent swimmer when I took him to alpine lakes in the summer. He enjoys racing through the tall grass, jumping like a deer, splashing in the pond, and exploring the entire forest. I make an effort to introduce him to as many new things as I can, including sights, sounds, and sensations. All of this is done for him, to give him happiness and freedom. However, sharing a home with Biggie is not just a pleasure, but also a duty. For him to let go of his restless energy, I have to walk him for at least 2 hours every day. However, I never gripe. I started exercising more, spent more time outside, and saw that my depression was lessening with Biggie. He inspires me to up in the morning and greet the world with a grin. It is impossible to describe the bond that has grown between us over the past year and 3 months. However, I nearly lost him. Biggie spent 3 nights in the emergency department after being ill a few weeks ago. Knowing that he wasn't there kept me from falling asleep. I would think he's still in the hospital every night as I gazed at the empty bed. It was the most difficult period of my life. He survived though. Now that he's nearly totally recovered, I always smile when I see him. Dogs are present or rented. They don't dwell on the past or consider the future. I want Biggie to possess this trait. I want him to experience happiness, coziness, and love at every moment. My life has been transformed by this puppy, and I will stop at nothing to ensure that he has the finest possible existence. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this Biggie story so that you can see more heartwarming and motivational tales. I strongly advise contacting experts first and learning everything you can about the care of exotic pets if you're thinking about getting one. You can then make sure your pet enjoys the contented, healthy life they are entitled to.